1, 2, 3.
I know you like to think your shit don't stink.
Damn, bro, man, I miss like the old days of YouTube, bro. Like, y'all remember the first video, which you might have even just discovered this channel off of. It was how to be a sneakerhead, brother. And your boy got a smooth like 1 point something million views in a few days. And honestly, that was the video that changed my life. But if you notice, like, you look at a lot of my older videos, I used to play a lot of copyrighted music. And I'm kind of regretting it now because like every other day there's a new copyright strike. And, you know, policies have gotten so strict that you can barely even play like 5 seconds. It used to be like 20. Like, you could push the limit of 20 and you wouldn't have to worry about it. But now it's literally like 5 seconds of copyrighted music and you can get away with it. And I might just be reporting myself to the feds, but that's what you can get away with now. And it kind of kills the creative freedom. Like, I don't know if y'all notice, every video I start off with like some type of song. Music is so vital to me personally, and I have like such a range of music. So yeah, man, that was a little banger for the day. I know you're probably gonna listen to it after. But hey, brother, we got a new eBay. I got scammed again, guys. I got scammed again. Psych. Clickbait. Clickbait. Yeah. I don't clickbait you, brother. I clickbait you to watch this video. What's up, man? I'm still here. I'm still here, dawg. So, yeah, man, I knew if I put the title as it is, you would watch because, you know, we notorious, right? So, those of you that follow me on Twitter, man, you know what's up. Let's just go with the clean, classic sneaker pickup. Like, the pure bliss and joy of picking up sneakers. Mail time, man. I love the little eBay tape that tells me that this seller has got to be legit, man. If you got eBay tape on deck, I would assume you're legit, brother. This dude has some good feedback. Now, like I said, if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I'm tripping. You saw that I was like, bro, why did I not pick these up? Hold up, is my address on there? Bleep, y'all didn't see that. My address is on there. So these are a steal right now, and I'm not gonna pass up this opportunity to get them now versus later when they're just harder to get. These were actually at my local Nike outlet for maybe the same price. Maybe like, I got these for $130. This is the Mocha Jordan 3, man. Genuinely geeked to have these in my possession. Like I said, these probably were at the outlet. I think they were around like 110 to 130, I want to say. No more than 130. So when I got a dead stock, I saw a dead stock pair, I made an offer on it. And brother, woo! Dog, don't sleep on these, man. The Mocha 3s. Like I said, I picked them up for $130. What's retail? Retail was $190. So dead stock pair. Got them on eBay. Got them under retail. I'm chilling, you know. I am big chilling. I don't know. I was kicking myself for not getting these, and now I'm glad to have them. This is just like a OG look. Days that I really miss, like back when I was in high school, was just like seeing the classics and wanting them so bad and couldn't wait to have them in my possession. Just things like the Cement 3s, you know, the Dornbecker 3s, obviously the White Cement 4s, the Royals, you know, just the very original colorways. I mean, even the Altitude 13s or the Black Hat 4s, you know, there was just so many sneakers that were just like, I want them, I need them. And I don't really get that anymore. Like, that feeling. Obviously, there's the hype Travis Scott's and the hype and blah, blah, blah. But as far as like a classic, clean colorway, I don't really get the nostalgia, is that the right term, anymore from all the new releases. So just going back on like some older sneakers. And this is like the perfect time to do it because that hype isn't really there. You know, previously, years ago, the Mocha 3, like trying to get the old original pair, you would have been looking at $400 to $500. Now you can get the most recent pair, which I'd rather have. There's no yellowing, like, you know, it's the same shoe, but obviously newer. I got these for $130. So it's just really an opportunity to be a true sneakerhead, I guess you could say, in the sense, or OG. I'm just glad I got these at the right time. This is one of those shoes, patience saves pockets. This is definitely a sleeper, but I really could care less, man. I got them in my collection. That's the only collection that I'm worried about is mine. Now, I don't ever think I did an on foot of these. I did get a pair a long time ago, but I think it was too small. It was like 11 or something stupid. So I might do an update video on these because I'm definitely gonna break them out. I don't really like doing like a weekly sneaker rotation. I'm just not like, it's too much work. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold y'all. That's the reason I never did like a sneaker rotation, because I'm not gonna like put on a different fit, go outside, shoot on foot. You know, like that's just stupid to me. If you want to see what I have on daily, man, you can follow me on Instagram. That's my sneaker weekly thing, because that's where I post my shoes. Props to y'all that do that, because it's a lot of work. I'm not personally interested in that. So there it is, man. Yeah, got them. Another pair secured. As far as for the rest of the year, like what do I have my eyes out for? I'm still looking for the Sakia Nike. I still want those. I think it's Sakia Kanta. I don't know. It's probably the only shoe that I have on my radar right now. I'd say in the next few weeks, I'm gonna be dumping a lot of sneakers, bro. I have like a storage unit that is just full of sneaker heaven, and I'm gonna update Mike's Bodega. A lot of you guys been asking me. I'll probably post a lot on Grailed, and maybe I'll just make a YouTube video saying these are for sale. I just need to get rid of them, man. I'm trying to really downsize my collection because I'm only one person. Having like an abundance of sneakers is really honestly awesome, but it's also super like overwhelming. Like you have so many choices of shoes to wear that you end up just wearing the same pair over and over, because it's easier to do that than deal with, oh, you know, these, oh, maybe actually those will look better. Oh, actually those will look better. Nah, you know what? I'm just gonna go with what I wore like 2 weeks ago again. But yeah, guys, man. But yeah, that's it. I didn't get scammed. I used to buy sneakers on eBay all the time. There's honestly some steals. If you can find the right person, you can get some great deals on eBay. Hence, right here. But you can also get finessed. Really, you can get finessed anywhere nowadays. So, there you go. New pickup. What do you guys think, man? Would you cop? Would you drop? Are you gonna go to eBay right now and try to get your pair for $130 too? Or cheaper? If anybody gets these cheaper, let me know down below. Right now, I'm feeling good, but if you got it, I think I got a steal. So let me know what you got. But that's it. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.